DNA Origami, the fascinating art of science. Hello, my name is Daniela Rivera and I will talk about nanoscience in medicine, more specifically DNA origami as a drug delivery tool. To begin with, nanoscience is the study of materials on the scale of nanometers. The manipulation and control of these materials gave birth to what is nowadays known as nanotechnology, which allows scientists to experiment with other fields of science. For instance, scientists have been studying the relation between medicine and nanoscience. The possibilities that nanotechnology holds within medicine provide innovative tools, such as alternatives to drug delivery inside the human body. One of these promising alternatives is DNA nanotechnology, which allows the manipulation of DNA strands to form nanostructures that are known as DNA origami. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material of all living things. It is a double chain or double helix of paired nucleotides, each nucleotide made of one phosphate, a deoxyribose sugar, and a nitrogen base. It is the sequence of these paired nucleotides what gives the genetic code of each living organism. Thanks to this genetic information and the properties that each DNA molecule has, DNA is a very programmable material that can be manipulated and folded, just as with origami, to form different DNA structures. The word origami is a Japanese term which translates to folding paper, and refers to the Japanese art where different shapes are created by using only paper. DNA origami gives the idea that the strands of such genetic material can be folded into infinite possibilities, just as with actual origami. DNA origami was first introduced in 2006 by scientist Paul Brotman. Brotman set up a long strand of DNA with small DNA strands called staples, and with the change in temperature, the strands were able to self-assemble, and a 2D nanostructure was formed. Nowadays, scientists use the long strand of DNA together with short synthetic DNA strands designed in a computer software where the double helix of the DNA strand is rotated, and thus programmed to self-assemble and form a 3D structure. Since DNA is a genetic code, DNA origami can be pre-programmed to target specific cells. Through intravenous injections, it is possible to insert DNA origami nanostructures in the organism and get them to the targeted cells. Scientists have tested the use of DNA origami as vehicles for drug delivery. Drug delivery refers to specific targeted medicine transportation inside the body without harming the rest of the organism. And how can scientists do this? Well, with nanotechnology, scientists are currently creating pre-programmed DNA origami 3D nanostructures to deliver, for instance, chemotherapy drugs into in vivo cancer cells to enhance cytotoxicity. Nowadays, DNA origami is one of the most promising applications of nanotechnology in medicine. The use of organic material proves to be a fascinating solution since it reduces the risk of synthetic nanomaterials in a living organism. Nevertheless, nanotechnology is still a field that holds many unknown questions when applied to medicine. This is why scientists continue to research the possible outcomes of DNA origami. In conclusion, nanotechnology will continue to find fascinating solutions, and DNA origami is just one example of the possibilities that nanotechnology and nanoscience provide in fields such as medicine. The creativity of the human mind to see beyond what is known, the ability to create alternative solutions seeking the well-being of humans, the innovation of blending the line between nanotechnology and art. This, altogether, is a fascinating art of science.